Department cracking down on animals hanging with their owners on patios. And now D.C. Council member Charles Allen is sponsoring a bill that would end that crackdown, at least temporarily. The council starts work on that October 3rd. And an update to the story of Tony Popkin and her service dog, Bud. Now, she says a Sally Beauty Supply employer told her she could not bring the dog in the store. We asked the company for their side of the story, and today they tweeted an apology to Tony and said this is not a reflection of the company's values or beliefs. The company went on to say Sally Beauty welcomes all service and emotional support animals in its stores.
New England is still feeling the effects of what used to be Hurricane Jose. Check it out, Sagamore Beach in Massachusetts. Remnants of Jose, spitting winds and waves fierce enough to wash away beaches. Because of the rough seas, ferry trips to Nantucket have been canceled. Oh no. Trips to, that's what I was just gonna say. Trips to Martha's Vineyard are running on a trip-by-trip basis. Oh, the humanity.
Oh, Martha, what will we do? We can't get to Nantucket.
You just won't go.
What? You just won't go?
You
Exactly.
just won't go for a minute.
You just won't
On
go.
a scale of things that hurricane could have done
Yeah.
to other people in places.
That's a 0.1, maybe.
Yeah.
All right, let me.
They're going to be okay.
Yeah, we promised you this before the break. So the hurricane. Now we're back to Maria. You know, where will Maria go? Will it go up the coast or will it stay out to sea? Well, here are the computer models, and generally speaking, pretty good. Each model represents a track. And the closer the lines are together, the more confluence, the more they agree. We still have one that does try to make it push ashore, make landfall, and one hugs the coast. But those are the outliers. So right now we're keeping it offshore, but it will affect the beaches all next week, really, and all weekend. All right, this is a forecast, a future cast, and we're talking about wind gusts. The Turks and Caicos, 73. Or as I like to call them, the Kirks and Taicos. 43-mile-per-hour wind gust still down in the DR. That's late tonight. Now, tomorrow morning, they could still see a wind gust of 71. By noon, wind gust of 64. And even by tomorrow evening, winds could still gust near 50 miles per hour. So they're going to have 12 pretty bad hours on the Turks and Caicos, and then it begins to move away from the Bahamas and away from land. All right, 3-degree guarantee. A little worried about today. Did I go high enough? Went 86. High was 88. We were okay. A little worried about tomorrow. I'm going to go 87. Some models going 90 tomorrow. Live look outside, still 76. Our average high is 78. That's a warm night. Winds are calm. So bus stop temperatures, comfortable. 62 to about 76, 9 a.m. to 6 a.m. And then very warm tomorrow. Temperatures 84 to 88, about 10 degrees above average. Fall arrives tomorrow at 4:02. The autumnal equinox, equal day and equal night. I posted something on Facebook and Twitter about what that means. And then more summer this weekend. 84 to 88 for highs, so a little bit more like August than September. 6 a.m. in the morning. I think Futurecast once again overdoing the cloud cover. 65 in Gaithersburg, 64 in Manassas to start by 9 o'clock, 70 in Leesburg, and 71 in Bowie. And by lunchtime, great day to take lunch outside. 82 downtown. Look at this, 84, even warmer in Cumberland. And then by evening, a little toasty for high school football, but nice. Nice to watch the game, a little tough to play the game. 83 at 6 o'clock, and mainly temperatures upper 70s, low 80s, even in the burbs at 6 o'clock tomorrow. So to start the day, low 70s, but 79 pretty quickly by 11 o'clock, and 82 pretty quickly by 1 o'clock. Now we get into Saturday, rinse and repeat. Warm, 87, and then Sunday, hot, 88. And we got the Bison in town, the Terps in town. It's going to be toasty for that game, and even the Sunday night game at FedEx is going to be tough. It's going to be probably 80 at night when the game starts. Maybe a sprinkle next week, but warm right on through Thursday. You know, I know the games don't mean anything, but I like when the Nats win.
Can we get to the playoffs already?
Oh, seriously.
See if this Nats team can actually come through. And straight ahead in sports, we also have a interesting story on your safety at Nationals Park. That's next.
WUSA 9 Special Assignment Unit
They're investigating 8 cases of missing children.
digs deeper into the stories that need real answers.
What did you see that still haunts you?
Special Assignment Unit, only on WUSA 9 News.
How's your spiritual health? We keep our bodies strong by eating the right things, and we keep our spirit strong by feeding on God's Word. Find a Bible and start reading it today.
We're falling head over deals at Sheehy on over 10,000 brand new Ford, Nissan, Volkswagen, Hyundai, Honda, Subaru, and Toyota models in stock. It's easy to fall into the